In this episode, I will show you the 4 best landing gears for DJI Mavic 3 Classic in 2022. Before proceeding to the video, subscribe to my channel for future updates. Let's get started. On number 1 we have Airoka landing gear. Greatly increase the height between the fuselage and the ground to protect the Mavic 3 fuselage from impact. Effectively increase the height by 38 mm to effectively prevent ground debris from contaminating the body or damaging the gimbal and camera during takeoff and landing. The hollow chassis is widened, and the outer 8-structure tripod is stable and safe to upgrade. Weighs only 50 grams, lightweight and durable. It doesn't add flying burden to the flight. Foldable tripod, easy to disassemble and install. On number 2 we have HeiyRC landing gear. The holes for sensors and LED lights are reserved, which will not interfere with the flight of the drone. Raise the drone off the ground and help land or take off from grass, mud, rocks, and uneven ground. Easy to fold and unfold, saves space. Reinforced structure ensures that the landing gear is strong and durable. The holes for sensors and LED lights are reserved, which will not interfere with the flight of the drone. On number 3 we have DJI landing gear. Precise molding for Mavic 3 and Mavic 3 Classic. Close and safe installation, and won't block light and vision system of drone bottom. Lightweight and no extra burden on drone. Effectively heightened by 38 mm. Greatly increase the distance between drone and ground, and keep drone and sensor safe and clean while landing and taking off. Quick release. All in one design. Cool spider landing gear. Make your Mavic 3 cool and attractive. Foldable landing gear. Precise ratchet structure makes landing gear more smart and useful. Wider and hollow out base and leg outward structure, both for safe and steady landing and taking off. On number 4 we have StartRC landing gear. Landing gear kit for DJI Mavic 3 and Mavic 3 Classic. Drive-on allows the drone to take off and land in an uneven environment. The buoyancy bar protect your Mavic 3 Classic when it lands or takes off on water. Shooting videos on the water to make more interesting videos. When the drone lands on dirt, sand, or grass, it can protect the bottom of the drone as well as the gimbal camera. When you use water landing gear on the water before, please make sure that the drone can keep balance after installation. So these are some of the best landing gears for DJI Mavic 3 Classic in 2022. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.